Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. Welcome to my channel. This is my Treasure Trove giveaway. So I do this about every month, and I've been doing this for a very long time. Somebody wins every time you see a video, and then I start a new giveaway. So I have a winner picked, and then I'm going to show you what's next in the giveaway. So there are 3 groups of products, and you get to choose in order of how you would like to win them in case I were to pick more than one winner. And at the moment, because of many reasons, I'm only picking one winner. So I have other giveaways going on right now, so you can find them and hopefully enjoy them, enter them. So my winner chose group number 3, and group number 3 is a mystery. So there are some things in here that you don't get to know what they are. It's a mystery. A lot of people like mysteries. So that is what my winner chose. And my winner is Josette Tharp. So excuse me, I use the comment picker. And you put in your comment how you'd like to win, and she chose number 3. So I'll have a surprise going out to Miss Josette. Please congratulate her below. And Josette, please get with me, and I will get you a prize out. I do like to maybe ask you a couple questions. So let me show you what is in group number 1, because this will now continue. So group number 1 is the same as it was last time, and group number 2 is the same as it was last time. And then group number 3 will be some different items that you won't see, because it's going to be a mystery. Okay. All right. So group number 1, since we've gone through these before, I'll try to go a little quickly. I have this After Spa exfoliating gloves. I think there's 2 in here. Maybe it's just 1. No, I think I can't tell, y'all, and I'm not going to open it up. But anyway, these are exfoliating, great exfoliating gloves for getting dead skin off. This also has the Evo brand, Evo Beauty. These are 2 really pretty lip liners. I have these already, and I really like them. Otherwise, I wouldn't be getting rid of those. And to go with that, I have the e.l.f. Seriously Satin Taffy Bullet Lippy. It's hard to see that because of the ring light, but it's a bullet, but it's lucite. You can see clearly in. You can see your product in there. And then we also have another lippy. This is Real Her brand, and it is Girl Power. This is a beautiful component. Girl Power, very nice neutral mauve, if you will, and real pretty packaging on that, real pretty. And we also have this is by Essence, Make Beauty Fun. It says it's a plumping lip gloss, and look at how beautiful that is, y'all. Can you see that? Going on there, the ombre. Isn't that pretty? Of course, it's a gloss, so it has sparkles and everything that really probably won't show up much on your lips. Maybe the sparkles a little bit, but it's supposed to be a plumper. And then we have a Lizzie McGuire Lippy Scrub with all those lipsticks. You need a scrub. This is so cute. This is from ColourPop. The packaging is adorable, and it is a lip scrub. So it's like a sugar scrub, you know, and super cute. I mean, Lizzie McGuire, you know, and ColourPop. And then also I have a blush, ColourPop Lizzie McGuire blush. So I'm going to put that in with it. And again, look at the packaging, is just so cute. There is Lizzie herself, Lizzie McGuire. And then it has a nice magnet closure. There is a mirror on one side, and then look at that pretty blush. And it does have, if you can see, the imprints of the flowers in it. It's a very nice blush. It has a little bit of a sparkle to it. So that is group number 1. So if you like that the best, you'll say something like, you know, hey Mary, how are you? Number 1. So that is group number 1. Group number 2, same as last time. We have the e.l.f. blush in the color Blushing. And this is the one that Camille chewed on for us. Thank you very much, Camille. That's a nice full-size blush. Very nice. And we have a lippy for this as well, the Seriously Satin Pepper. This is in pepper, real pretty dark red. And I have the e.l.f. This is a double-ended. It's a lip primer and then also a plumper. So that's very nice. And we have the e.l.f. Bite Size Eyeshadow in Hot Jalapeno to go with that pepper lip. And the e.l.f. I love this brush. This is the Brow Comb and Brush. I use this almost daily. You got the comb on one side, the brush on the other. Very nice brush. And then this has a piece of jewelry in it. This is from the Let's In Style that I got. Really pretty necklace, really pretty. And there is the inside piece. It has little gold medallions hanging from it. And then this this is all one piece, but it hangs, you know, as a double. It has these beautiful, that might be turned around. These beautiful gemstones. Of course, you know, this is just junk jewelry. But see how pretty, all the different colors in there, very pretty. So that is group number 2. And then group number 3 is a mystery. So most of you know how to play. If you're new and you don't know how to play, you can ask me anything. You have to be publicly subscribed to me. Well, that's not true. I always say that because I'm so used to saying that. If I know you and you're not publicly subscribed, you can win this giveaway. But I have to have a relationship with you. So remember that. I have told you all that many times. Most people want you to be publicly subscribed to win their giveaways. And that's how that's how I am about most giveaways. But this one, you do not have to be publicly subscribed. You have to, let's see, I need an address in the continental, I need a US address. It doesn't have to be continental. And you can live anywhere in the world, but you have to have an address for me to send it to here. Could be a friend of yours that wins for you. Could be someone that will ship to you around the world. That's fine with me. YouTube has nothing to do with this giveaway. This is all, I bought these items with my own money or got them in giveaways. I did buy all the e.l.f. stuff. I buy it when it's on sale for this giveaway. And I also incorporate some of the things I receive that I may have received free for review. But nobody's responsible for this. No other company, just me. And Camille, she's responsible. All my rules are always in the description. This is gonna run through October 27, and I will end it at noon Central Time, October 27, which I think is a Friday. So I try to run it around a month or so, and with the holidays coming, I may change that up a little bit, but that's about what I do. So I think that's about it, y'all. So thank you for stopping by. Congratulate the winner below. And y'all count your blessings, and thank you for being here. All right, bye-bye.